Welcome everyone, you may be in a situation where you've received a virus from either the calendar application or Safari. This tutorial will cover how to completely remove the virus from both calendar and Safari. So, take a look at what I've got right here. Ensure your data is safe and sound. Viruses on your iPhone, clean them now. Your iPhone is infected. Alert, iPhone, whatever. You can tell this is obviously spam, so here's how you fix it. So you just want to go to settings, scroll down until you see calendar. So you just want to find calendar, tap on this one, and then you want to find accounts, and then you want to find subscribe calendars, and it should look something like this. Click OK to continue. Tap on this one, tap on this calendar, and then you see right here, delete account, tap on this one, then tap on delete again, and you'll be good to go. Now, if you're on iOS 14, the process will be slightly different. You will need to go to passwords and accounts, and then you should see that account which has the calendar. You tap on that and delete it. And let's take a look at now. Let's see. Boom, just like that, that crap has gone. Next, inside Safari, if you had that calendar virus, all you need to do is just go to settings, then scroll down until you see Safari, and then just tap on clear stream website data, tap on clear again, and then when you open up Safari again, that virus should be removed. So just keep in mind, you guys, these aren't actually viruses, these are advertisements. The reason why the calendar application showed all those, crap is because you subscribe to a calendar, and when you have a calendar, you can put whatever content you want. So what these advertisers do is they will put these events, they'll put them every half an hour, and these stuff like your phone's infected, that's just an advertisement trying to get you to purchase something. Same story with Safari. So if you ever see these pop-ups in the future, especially click OK to subscribe or click OK to continue, and it brings you to the calendar, whatever you do, do not subscribe to it. If you have a virus inside Safari, all you need to do is just tap on the multitasking, close out the page, and the page will be gone because that page is an advertisement. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.